Hi everyone, Jamie Humphries here again, and in this lesson we are taking a look at the classic Boston power ballad Amanda. So let's kick things off by taking a look at the verse progression. I'm going to play it through for you first of all, and then we'll break it down. 2, 3, 4, and... Okay, so you've just heard the verse chord progression. We're kicking off with the G chord. Now, the way that we're holding that chord is with the third finger playing the root note on the low E and the little finger playing the root on the top E. And then we're laying our third finger across the A string slightly so that it mutes it out. Now, the reason we're playing it that way is because we're then going to add our first finger on the B and our second finger on the D. That's almost playing like a C chord, but with the G in the bass. And then we're dropping the first finger down onto the second fret of the G string. When you put it together, you get this. And as you strike the chord, you're going to hammer your fingers down. Then we have the G chord. Then we go into an E minor chord. Then we have our B minor chord. And what we're doing there is we're taking our first finger off and hammering that down. And then we get a B sus2 and then hammer the first finger down. So C major, G over B, A minor. So here we're just playing a G chord. And then we have a D sus4 to a D major. And then we're taking our first finger off and hammering that back down. So we get a D sus2 to D major. So you get this.